Hey, good evening, everybody. This is Mo in Memphis, Tennessee with 901 Sounds. Today we finished working on a 2021 GMC Sierra Black Widow Edition. It's fully loaded. It's a very beautiful truck. We decked it out with about roughly 20 LED rock light kits made by Morimoto. They have a really good product. You can just tell how great the reflection is on the ground. This is literally with about 6 LED spotlights in the parking lot that we have, and you still have a really bright look beneath the undercarriage. I've got them placed literally all over the place. We've got about roughly 3 under the front bumper, 3 beneath the rear bumper, a couple on the sides, a couple in the wheel wells. And if you can tell, we've got a lot of different colors to play with. Go ahead and give me some different colors, just random colors, right off the Bluetooth app. You've got a really nice look to it though. If you're in the Memphis market and you're looking to restyle your truck, you definitely know where to come, guys. 2235 Covington Pike, open 6 days a week. Shout out to my partner Ahmad for making this happen. If you need anything, he's got the one-stop shop right off of Perkins. Give him a shout out, Perkins and Knights Arnold.
Yeah, Perkins Marathon gas station.
There you go, Marathon gas station. Come see him for all your gas needs.